Good afternoon, Health Source Nation. Dr. Jeff Kirshner from Health Source of Wesley Chapel, and I'm here with Dimitri, and I wanted to ask him a couple questions in regards to his injuries and how he's progressing through treatment here at Health Source of Wesley Chapel. Dimitri, thank you for your time today. I just wanted to ask you what you initially came to us for.
My quad muscle, I've had an issue with it for about 2 years, and my lower back pain.
Okay. And how long had you had those issues before you sought relief?
My lower back pain, it's kind of come and go. Things been for years, and my quad muscle for about 2 years straight. I haven't been able to walk. So,
Wow. Pretty dramatic injury
yeah, I would
that
say
added
so,
up
yeah.
over time?
Absolutely.
Okay. And how have you, since you've been treating here with us at Health Source of Wesley Chapel, how much has that improved your health or your daily functions and those activities?
Well, basically, I'm able to function. I'm able to walk now and run. Before that, I was limping. Like I said, for about 2 years, I was limping. My back is a lot better also. So, I mean, it's worthwhile. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Excellent. And how long have you been here now? A couple weeks?
It's my third session.
Gotcha.
So, but I started feeling a lot better after the first session. Probably about 50% pain went away in my back. It was probably almost was the pain was gone completely, and my leg about 50% of the first session. After the second, it was about 80% is gone.
Excellent. Well, I appreciate your time.
No,
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And if there's any of you out there that need our services here at Health Source Wesley Chapel, or have someone that you love and care about that has tried other options, please consider chiropractic, and we're here for you.